We've met a lot of characters on the Fishmonger over the years.
Nobody really knows where Cape Fear actually came
make
from.
something up.
That's not a true spinal cord. They're more of a cartilaginous fish.
That's a lot of big words for a guy like you. Who caught the biggest fish?
You did, because I let you.
Okay, just want to make that clear. You're gonna meet a whole lot more, but I gotta tell you, I met the cutest one this day. Marshall, better known as the town hound. Aw, look at this. Come here, buddy. Our nation was built on the backbone of the hardworking men and women of the American commercial fishing fleet. They grind it out each and every day.
People likes to know the boat it comes off of. They like to know the people that's catching it. And all my product stays within probably 100-mile radius.
I want that product.
This is the last wild food. This is what we're trying to save. You know, keep this going.
Food is our national security. Your fishermen are under attack from all kinds of directions.
I stand right there and talk to people and they'll ask me, where does it come from?
Yeah.
And with pride and everything goes with it, I tell them my fishmonger cut that fish for you today.
You know, I mean, I'm sure everybody knows in the seafood business it's a delicate balance of not enough and too much. They don't understand the regulations' effect on the human side and the economy of fishing.
Look at these blue crabs. These are beautiful, absolutely delicious. We're gonna let this one go. Don't tell the captain.
Especially in the 80s, there was a lot of turbulence between the state and native fishermen. You know, my dad always explained it like, no, those game wardens, they're not as fun as they used to be. And
I don't even know where to go after that.
We are 70, 80 miles off of the coast. This boat goes about 7 miles an hour. So we're just gonna tough it out, do the best we can. Something's better than nothing. Don't complain about the price of grouper next time.
It's all you that have made it happen. From all the fishermen and women of the American fleet, we thank you for buying and reading the label and making sure that it's a product of USA. So Bella, what do you think of the tides and currents? How does it affect fishing?
I don't know, I just work here. What's up with this old man?
What did you say?